How to delete Facebook activity history all at once. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can delete the Facebook activity history all at once. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, open up your Facebook application and log in into your account. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So the next step, what you're gonna do is simply navigate or head over to your profile at the top left. Right after that, you just need to scroll down a bit, or you may just tap on this gear icon at the top. After that, you will be able to see activity log when you scroll down a bit very easily under your activity. And here you just need to go to activity history, where you'll find all your activity till date. So in order to delete, you just need to tap on this three dot, and here you can see this delete option, and when you tap on confirm delete, it will be deleted from your history. But let's say you want to delete it all at once. So for that, you just need to get back, and this time go to your account center at the top. After that, just scroll down a bit until you see your informations and permission. Just tap on it, and here you can see this your activity of Meta Technology. Just tap on it, and you can see this clear previous activity at the last section. Just tap on it and tap on your Facebook account. After that, simply tap on clear, and your activity history will be disconnected. Every activity history, just tap on clear previous activity and confirm it, and your activity is deleted. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to delete your history, activity history all at once on your Facebook. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.